Welcome to my honest review of Optus Game Streaming, the cloud gaming service from Optus that promises high-quality gaming without expensive hardware. I'll start by explaining how the platform works. You can stream modern PC and console-level games directly from Optus servers using just an internet connection and a compatible device. The sign-up process is simple, but it immediately requires a strong connection. I noticed that any fluctuation in network speed directly impacts performance. After creating an account, the dashboard is clean but lacks customization options. The library includes a fair selection of games, though not as extensive as competitors like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming. Optus has focused more on stability and user experience rather than volume of titles. The interface is minimalistic and launching games is fast, but during my tests, I observed noticeable input lag in certain high-action titles, especially when connected via Wi-Fi instead of Ethernet. The service automatically adjusts resolution to maintain smooth playback, which means you might see a drop from 1080p to 720p depending on your connection. This adaptive scaling works well for stability but sacrifices image sharpness. When it comes to pricing, Optus Game Streaming sits in the mid-range segment, not too expensive, but not the cheapest either. You get flexible subscription options, but some users might find the free trial too short to fully evaluate performance. In terms of compatibility, the platform runs on Windows, Android, and some smart TVs. However, browser support can be inconsistent. Chrome worked fine, while Safari struggled with stutters. Controller pairing is seamless with most Bluetooth devices, though some wired controllers needed reconfiguration. The game loading times are impressive, faster than expected for cloud gaming. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about performance under real conditions. I tested Optus Game Streaming with different bandwidths. At 100 megabits per second, the gameplay was almost indistinguishable from local hardware. While at 25 megabits, the experience suffered from compression artifacts and delayed responses. The sound quality remained clear, though occasionally desynchronized during network drops. Optus claims low latency, and while it's true under optimal conditions, the experience can vary by location and time of day. Evening hours caused minor delays, possibly due to network congestion. The service also consumes a significant amount of data, so keep that in mind if you're on a limited plan. The biggest strength of Optus Game Streaming is accessibility. You don't need a gaming PC, just stable internet and a controller. However, the main weakness is the limited library and inconsistent performance for competitive play. For casual gaming or single-player experiences, it performs admirably. Another notable feature is cloud save synchronization, which lets you continue where you left off on any device. Unfortunately, there's no built-in recording feature, so you'll need external tools to capture gameplay. Overall, Optus Game Streaming feels like a solid option for players in Australia who want to explore cloud gaming without investing in expensive rigs. It's not perfect. Latency issues and occasional resolution drops remind you that this is still an emerging technology. But it's promising and improving steadily. If Optus expands its game catalog and optimizes regional servers, it could easily become a top contender in the cloud gaming space. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest tech and gaming reviews.